Hey everyone, it's Megan with the Crafty Planner Lover here, and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, we are going to be planning for August 21st through the 27th in my catch-all planner using this PlannerSisterSticker camping kit, and I absolutely love it. It is so pretty, and I thought it would be perfect for the summertime, and I also haven't used a PlannerSisterSticker kit in a very long time, so I thought it would be the perfect time to use it. If you can't tell, I am still very hoarse from my exciting adventures before work, so I apologize if my voice cracks and sounds like it's dying. It's just my voice. I'm so sorry about that, but we're gonna go ahead and jump in. Alrighty, so I think we should probably start with the washi, and I'm trying to find these. That's what I needed. So let's start with the washi first, and we are going to just, I think we're going to do it this way. Yeah, we're going to do it this way, because I think that would be the best way to go about doing this. And this one down on this side. I think I'm going to do it this way. So have you guys done anything fun or exciting this summer? Have you had any fun adventures? What have you been up to? I would love to hear about what you guys have been doing, and yeah, I think it would just be really fun to chit chat. So I do want to cover the spine, but I don't have enough of these, so I do have my reusable sticker book over here on this side, and I'm going to try to do something interesting with this. Hopefully it'll work. If not, it's not a big deal, but I have a lot of these dark green washies as well, so I thought if it works, we can line the spine with this. If not, then, you know, such is life, but we'll see if it works. Well, look at that, it did work. That was very, very fun to experiment with. Okay, so it's time for the sidebar, and we are going to put our work schedule here and this fun little thingy, and then we're going to add a sidebar sticker, and I'm thinking of this one. That's fun. We're gonna put her here. And then our habits. Okay, new change. She's gonna go up here where the word August is. And we're not even gonna white out this because there is no need to, because it matches the kit. Which you guys know I like when it matches the kit. And we are going to use up these other two glitter headers and put these right here. Oh, there we go. That's not bad. So I think we also need to add the days of the week, if I can find them. There they are. And put those on here. So I think I want to put something down for the weekend. And luckily I do have two kind of brownish gold headers from a previous PlannerSisterSticker kit that I'm going to just use on Thursday and Sunday, because my weekend is Friday, Saturday, because that is when I have my off days. So I'm going to just use that as a little, what do you call it, separation. And also that way it kind of matches the washi over here. There we go. It's not bad. I think it's fine. All right, time for some plans and boxes. So first, we are going to put down this one because first it's cute, and also it's cute. I think it's cute, at least. Okay. This sticker really likes me today. Get off my finger. I think I'm going to put it over here. Y'all, I'm sorry if you can hear my phone. It is just going crazy right now because I posted something on Facebook and everyone is commenting on it, so I apologize. Okay. I also really like this scene, but I don't want the same girls. So we will use this one and the breakfast and this one. Those are the three I'm thinking of using. And we will have campfire here, breakfast here, and this girl here. That's nice. So now we need some to-dos, and I'm going to use an orange one because we need some orange in this. We'll put it on this side. I'm gonna back myself into a corner here. I'm gonna do it in the center. And then we're gonna find here. This is what I wanted. I'm gonna use this for the title, and then we're also going to do another list here and another title, and I think I'm going to use green for the title on this one. Part of me feels like I should do another to-do list, but we're going to hold off on that to see what else we need to add and go from there. Let's have the to-do. Yeah. To-do, and I wish there was a to clean. There's one here, but we'll use many things. And I do need to trim a little bit off. So I'm gonna have this one say to do, and this one say many things. There we go. All right, let's put some boxes and stuff down. And that is it for this week in my catch-all planner using the Camping Kit by PlannerSisterSticker. I forgot how much fun it is to use her kits, and every single time I use them I'm like, oh my gosh, I need to do this more, and then I forget. So I think I'm definitely going to have to do this a little bit more throughout the year because it's fun. I do like the different items that she provides, and they're super cheap. So I really recommend you guys check out PlannerSisterSticker. I will leave all of their information down in the description box and their Etsy shop and all that fun stuff. If you like this video and you want to see more of my planning style, don't forget to check out the description box. There are different playlists related to different kinds of planners, from a generic planner playlist to my social media, finance, monthly setups, different kinds of videos like that. And then there are also videos that are related to crafting, just generic crafting content. So check that out if you're interested in seeing what else I like to craft with. If you did like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you haven't already. It does help me out a lot, and it lets me know you guys are interested in seeing more content from me. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. And until next time, craft on. Bye guys!